Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Happy Investing. In this video I will tell you about top 5 stock ideas which can give you up to 57% return over the next 12 to 18 months. So among the top 5 stock ideas, the first is PVR. PVR is the largest multiplex chain in India with 800 plus screens across India. Share price of the stock has corrected significantly from its high of rupees 2080 in March 20 on account of no major relief due to COVID-19 crisis. However, the COVID-19 situation might improve over the next 3 to 4 months with slowdown of second wave and government vaccination program. It's a matter of time before we see new releases by production houses post August 2021, which should lead to significant increase in the business of the company. With this expectation, at current market price of rupees 1160, we are giving a conservative target of rupees 1800, which is 55% upside over current market price. Second is Petronet LNG. Petronet LNG is an oil and gas company formed by Government of India to import liquefied natural gas, that is LNG, and set up LNG terminals in the country. Key developments that are taking place in the company: Dahej terminal remains a star performer with average utilization rate of over 100% and further expanding its capacity to 19.5 MMTPA from 17.5 MMTPA over the next 2 to 3 years. With Kochi-Mangalore pipeline commissioned, Kochi terminal utilization level to increase over 30% in calendar year 2021. Company exploring multiple capex options like Sri Lanka LNG terminal, East Coast LNG terminal, and set up around 50 LNG stations on national highways that will add to revenue growth. If you look at the quarterly numbers, the company has posted robust Q3 financial 2021 results with operating profit at 1335 crores, that is up 20.5% year on year, with better cost management and inventory gain of 60 crores. If we assign 14p multiple to its financial year 2023 estimated earning of rupees 25 per share, which gives a target price of rupees 350 per share, implying a potential upside of 45% over current market price. Third is SIS, Security and Intelligence Services Limited. It is among the largest business service provider in India with leadership across security services, facilities management, and cash logistics. It is also a leading security vendor in Australia, New Zealand, and Singapore. It should be among the biggest direct beneficiaries of the central and state governments' intent to liberalize and formalize the labor markets. If we assign 21x P multiple to its financial 23 estimated earning of rupees 26 per share, which gives a target price of rupees 546 per share, implying a potential upside of 41% from current market price of rupees 386. Fourth is Ashoka Buildcon. Ashoka Buildcon is one of the leading highway and bridge developer in India with portfolio of 39 PPP public-private partnership projects. Also, it is engaged in power transmission and distribution projects on EPC basis. Key positive for company: healthy order book of rupees 91.5 billion, that is 9,150 crores, with strong order inflows. Strong execution of projects over the last 2 years and continuous improvement in the balance sheet. If we assign 9xp multiple to its financial 2023 estimated earning of rupees 15 per share, which gives a target price of rupees 135 per share, implying a potential upside of 57% from current market price rupees 86. Fifth is NRB bearings. NRB is one of the leading supplier of bearings to auto companies. It is the largest manufacturer of needle roller bearings in India with 70% market share. The company likely to benefit from domestic auto industry back on growth track, increased demand for needle roller bearings with emphasis on weight reduction in vehicles and lower space utilization. Revival in exports on account of recovery in US and European markets. Improvement in margins with focus on high margin export business. If you look at the financial result of the company has posted strong number is Q3 2021 with revenue up 33.7% year on year at rupees 244.7 crores and PAT up 121.3% year on year at rupees 23.3 crores. If we assign 19x P multiple to its financial 2023 estimating earning of rupees 8.5 per share, which gives a target price of rupees 160 per share, implying a potential upside of 45% from current market price of rupees 110. So thank you friend. If you found my video interesting, please like, comment and share my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel Happy Investing. Stay tuned for more updates.